Welcome to session 9. We're going to proceed with constructing the disk of the Earth. Just before we do that, here's the answers to the questions from the last time. So the formula is x minus h, where hk is the center, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. And here's the calculations. I'll let you study those. The bottom line is we can't possibly get to scale, so our Earth is actually about 10,000 times too big, but not to worry. I think we'll still be able to see what we want to be able to see. I will point out one thing. My screen share may not capture the bottom part of the screen. So way down in the left corner, you will see this icon, which can be used as an on-screen keyboard, and we will be making use of that. So on to construction. So as you recall, once you've signed into GeoGebra and you click on the icon up here on the right, you'll get your list of files. And you're going to click on the 3 buttons here, Open in App, and there's our work from the last time. So now we have to type that big long expression for a circle into this input box in the algebra view, and because of its complexity I am going to use the keyboard. So I come down here on the left, click on that, and now you see the on-screen keyboard become available. So we're going to start with a bracket down on the bottom here, and again, if that's not showing up down at the bottom of your keyboard, there is parentheses. As soon as you click one, you get both. We're going to type the letter X, and then we're going to say minus 7, because that's the X coordinate of our center, 7 times, and here I'm just going to type, so I'm just typing on my laptop keyboard, cosine, open bracket, orbit, so X, so this expression here, I want to have that squared. Now I want to say plus, and I'm going to open bracket again, and this time I'm going to type y minus sine, whoops, let's not make that mistake again, 7 times sine of orbit, and I need that expression to be squared, and I'm going to set that equal to 9. Because we said the radius of our Earth would be 3. So down on the very bottom, again, if you can't see it, it's in the bottom row. There on the right-hand side of our on-screen keyboard, there's a return key, so I press that and we're done. We have our disk of the Earth. Over on the upper right of the on-screen keyboard, there's a little X, so you can make it go away. Now, let's do a little bit of editing here. So, here it is here under conics, and we're going to choose settings, as we've done so many times. We're going to rename it to Earth, and we're going to change the color to, say, like a pale blue dot, so we'll use a blue type of color. And back on basic, we want to make sure we're going to show the label. Yes, we are. And there's our Earth. Let's center it a little bit. Let's make it, there are some control buttons down here, and we're going to make it smaller so that it will fit. I'm going to come over here and press on this button by orbit, and now our Earth is orbiting about the sun. It's going to stop when it gets to the x-axis, so then I will set it back using my slider. And let's just do that one more time. We'll do 1 full year. There it goes. So we're doing quite well. And then you can either save your work and leave GeoGebra, or you can just leave it open and go on to the next one, whatever your choice may be. That completes this session. And in the next session, we're going to take a look at 4 different models.